Coming back to milestones, I want to make this a bit more complicated. The following. I'm going to do the following. Okay, I'm going to take this here. I'm going to type here actual. So what is, or replanned, or whatever you want. And here, for example, I'm going to type other dates than the previous one. Okay, so value. I'm going to click on this is equal to something like this. 5. I'm gonna then copy all this. Before where I'm going to do the search on actual. Okay, I'm gonna drag this. Okay, and then I have milestone actual, and I get this function here, this one, same function where I'm going to check from here, from this one. Okay, great. Now I'm going to my dashboard, and if you remember, I have this. Okay, select and we're going to my one. Okay, milestones. Okay, here we are. And okay, I'll select this, no fill. I'm going to show the error. Okay, and I'm going to make a secondary access. Then I'm going to select the second one, this one. Okay, category name. Okay, that's good. And I'm going to, and I'm going here, I'm going to click on plus, arrow bars, more options. Okay, I'm going to add to A2 as well, and again to percentage 100%, and the line is red. Height we have. Okay, now we have this. We need to change this part because I have a lot of not applicable. There is an error somewhere, and we're gonna fix this. You can do this. These can be moved if there are some errors during the project, and this, for example, kickoff meeting should be here, but is here. Sprint 1 starts here, but instead starts here, and so on. Okay,